Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to disable the stitch option in your existing TikTok videos. So you have the option to enable stitch feature when you upload a video, but for some reason, let's say you decide you want to disable this stitch feature on all of your videos, then you'll need to follow this tutorial. So to disable this, let's open up your TikTok app. Now tap on Me at the bottom right. Now tap on the three dots at the top right. Then select Privacy, scroll down, and here you'll see the option Who can stitch with your videos. At the moment, everyone is selected. Switch that to Only me. And now no one can stitch to any of your videos. And there you go, that is how to disable stitch feature on all of your TikTok videos. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.